What's up with it, YouTube, man? It's your boy Roll Quake coming at y'all with a video today. And shit, I'm sure y'all gonna see just by the thumbnail and the title what this video gonna be about. But today, we got the 2023 Dodge Challenger TA. And I know what y'all think. I don't know what that is. Wooty wooty wooty. And before I even get on this video, I just want to say, I know this is my first video, this and that. And so I figured, what better way it would be to start a channel than fixing my goddamn car. So, you know, today Monday, I seen my tire was flat Sunday. And you know, with it being Sunday, nobody was open, so I just had to deal with it. And so, yeah, we can go ahead and take care of business. So far, I'm the first owner on this car. Got it with 39 miles on it, bone stock, 2023 last car. And yes, it is a 5.7. It is a 5.7. The only way you can tell the 5.7 TA and the 392 TA, 392 will be right there, right under the TA. Right under the TA. And so with that being said, that'll really be your only difference. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a whole detour what the TA package really is. Go ahead and show y'all my tire too before I end up doing all this junk. And so I got a nail right here, like where the chalk line is, it's dead ass right here. And the whole reason he drew the chalk line was because it's literally another nail parallel to that on the other side. Like somebody sabotaging me, bro. I don't know what I did or who I done made mad, but I'm sorry. Like, I don't even be doing nothing for real, but yeah, man, I'm gonna give y'all this cold start video. Hopefully get some pulls in for y'all and all that good stuff, man. But yeah, so yeah, y'all, we in the TA, man, and on the way to the shop. And I will say that this is most definitely a fine car, but you know how community is just so toxic. It really make a lot of people not even wanna show off the car, man. And look, bro, let me show y'all something. When I get to this stop sign right here, I'm gonna show y'all this is what I be talking about, bro. Somebody sabotaging me, bro. And if this is a bird like this, bro, I don't even know, gang. Like, look at this, bro. I have to, bro. Come on now, bro. Come on now, dog. I'm telling you, bro. I really like can't. Wow. Get up there. I really just can't make this junk up, bro. But we finna get to the shop. I'll see y'all when